In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo software for tasks. We'll start from the Odoo home screen. Once you're there, click on Project to open the project management area. This is where you can organize work, create projects, and manage tasks in a simple visual way. After opening Project, click on New to create a fresh project. Then type in your project name. Choose a clear name that matches the work you want to track, since this will make it easier to find later, especially if you manage multiple projects at once. Once the name is entered, click Create Project. When the project opens, you'll see that Odoo uses Kanban stages to display tasks in columns. This layout helps you quickly understand where each task stands. In the first column, type To Do. Then use the next stages as In Progress, Review, and Done. These stages create a clear workflow, moving from tasks that haven't started yet all the way to tasks that are completed. To add a task, click the plus icon in the appropriate column. Usually, you'll begin by adding new tasks under To Do. Type in the task name so the work item is clearly labeled. While creating the task, you can also assign team members. A task can be assigned to employees, managers, or freelancers if they have access to the system. Assigning tasks helps everyone understand responsibility and makes workload tracking much easier. Next, set deadlines and priorities for the task. This is an important part of staying organized and keeping projects on schedule. Odoo allows you to choose different priority levels, including low, medium, high, and urgent. You can also schedule activities and reminders, which is helpful if the task needs a follow-up or has a time-sensitive action attached to it. Once everything looks good, click Save. At this point, the task is officially added to your project and ready to be tracked. As your team works, you can monitor progress through the project dashboard. Odoo helps you view completed tasks, pending tasks, deadlines, and team workload. This gives managers and team members a clearer picture of project status and helps identify delays before they become bigger problems. You can also add color to tasks, which is useful for visual organization. For example, you might use color to group similar types of work or highlight important items. Finally, as the task progresses, you can move it between stages. Drag it from To Do to In Progress, then to Review, and finally to Done when the work is complete. This keeps the project board updated in real time and makes collaboration much smoother. And that's how to use Odoo software for tasks.